Hello and welcome to my historical recipes. 3rd century scholar Athenaeus, in his Deipnosophistae, which means scholars at the dining table, tells the story of Nicomedes, king of Bithynia, which is in northern Asia Minor in modern Turkey, who felt a sudden desire for anchovy while being on a mission in Scythia, far away from the sea. His cook prepared him an imitation of the fish based on turnips or radishes, and accounts swearing by Zeus that the king and his guests were amazed by the likeliness. The anecdote ends with the sentence, "The cook and the poet are just alike. The art of each lies in his brain." Although I like to agree with this quote, I'm quite doubtful about how this turnip really is going to turn out to taste like anything like anchovy. I honestly haven't tried this recipe before, so this is an experiment. And as I like radish a lot as it is, nothing can go wrong. So all you need for this is either a turnip, if you like it a little more bland, or a radish, a white radish, if you like it a little more spicy, some salt, and a few poppy seeds. Now, first of all, I'm going to cut up this turnip, peel it, and now comes the tricky part. I'm supposed to shape this like anchovies. How do I shape a radish like anchovies? I will try. Now comes the artistic part. The cook of the king of Bithynia must have been considerably better than me in carving vegetables. There is no way this looks like anchovies, but anyways, we will proceed now by parboiling these pieces. Okay, it doesn't look like anchovies at all, and despite the lack of my carving abilities, I think that's not only it. But we will proceed with what this famous cook claimed: to add salt to those, well, parboiled vegetable pieces, and then to add poppy seeds on top. The cook claims that his secret is to count the poppy seeds, exactly 40 per fish piece, I guess, which of course I'm not going to do. And this is a little hint also that this story can't have been too serious, because in antiquity, a good cook was considered somebody who could make an ingredient look and taste like another ingredient. Pretty much the opposite of what we would consider now, where we want to have the actual taste and texture of what we are eating. Now, the story might be actually a critic of that practice and not an actual recipe. Anyways, this, obviously, it does not taste or, well, look like anchovies. It's not bad. As I said, turnips are always nice, and salted turnips are a popular beer snack in Bavaria. I would just actually prefer to have them in the simplest shape and raw. Or you can also make radish chips.